There is a need to think with your fingers. We're so often on our computers, on our phones, and to be able to put those digital devices away, get your fingers dirty, squish clay, sand, wood, those are all essential experiences that are therapeutic. Hi, I'm Annika Nelson. I'm the Senior Director of Craft and Glass Centers at UC San Diego. Why should someone take a class at the Craft Center? Let me tell you, there are 6 beautiful studios here at the Craft Center, all dedicated to making the creative process accessible to anyone and everyone. Whether you're students, faculty, staff, alumni, community members, we've got jewelry, woodworking, mixed media, ceramics, surfboard shaping, and culinary arts. We are opening a brand new glass center, another 10,000 square feet of space dedicated to glass art. We're gonna have a hot shop. That's where people blow glass. We also are gonna have a flame shop where people can use small torches to do more accessible glass projects where they're making beads or things like that. We'll also have a cold shop where you can do etching and polishing, and then we'll have kiln form glass as well. There's 4 brand new studios, and we're gonna be opening in February 2026. Our tools and equipment and our space is amazing. The real heart of the Craft Center are our instructors, and having that interaction is so inspiring and so uplifting. They make a variety of method and media accessible, give people a chance to sample different art making processes, and give people an opportunity to develop a visual voice that they may not have been aware of. I hope everyone walks away from their experience at the Craft Center is a feeling of well-being and being part of a unique creative community. Who's signing up for classes, huh?